We're now at the Ocean Beach. There's a water slide we are now currently looking at.
I'm going to leave everything in the trunk of my car because I'm not carrying. Do you
So
want
we'll
your
go in.
sweater?
No. No, don't put it on my sweater.
It won't hurt you. Here.
Oh,
This
yes,
is...
it will. Oh, this feels uncomfortable. I'm hot. Get it off. Get it off.
No,
It's hot. Don't tie it around me.
Wait till you get down there. Go ahead.
Oh, no, I'm hot.
When we get
I'm
down.
as hot as a flame.
Okay, are you ready?
I guess. I'm going to die of heat exhaustion. Here we go down to the Ocean Beach. Just Nani and me. Oh, that's even worse.
No, it's better. See, that way you won't be that hot.
Oh, yeah, right.
All right.
Look at this place here, Nani. Ooh, what a nice breeze. This sure feels nice, don't it?
Yeah, but it's gorgeous down here.
What do you have to say, Nani?
I love it down here. Love it.
Don't we all? Let us go. Let us see what's within our reach. Let us go together. Many things to wait us here. Yep. So, Nani, how you doing over there?
Good.
Yeah.
We're walking.
It's gonna get in all its glory, starting from over here. Sure is silent. Let us follow Nani. Hey, Nani. How you holding out?
Good. How you holding up?
Yeah. Oh, looks like she's getting ahead of us again. Let's hurry up.